Christmas. Happy birthday, Jesus. Thank you for all the blessings that you have showered upon us this year. Thank you so much for always providing us with good health, many financial blessings, foods to eat, and bonding with our family, especially bonding with our family. Thank you for giving us the strength, the courage to surpass all our problems and challenges. And may we hope that in the future you will still continue to guide us, to strengthen our hearts, and to keep the bonding in our family alive as we continue to live in your glory. Amen.
Lord, thank you for caring unceasingly for our family and for the people around us. Thank you for the faith that gives us strength. Thank you for your love that makes us one. In the most ordinary moments of our life, show us that you are always with us. When we work and when we rest, bless our life and give us good health. By your infinite grace, may we grow in love, forgiveness, and understanding of one another. Don't let us be overburdened with cares and worries. Teach us instead to lift all these up to you. Help us realize what matters most. It is the gift of one another, not the material possessions and comforts in life. Let not money and infidelity destroy the love that binds us together as a family. Help us to have greater faith in you and your providence. Though our family has its own problems, may we always continue to help others, relatives, friends, neighbors, and all persons that you send our way. Amen.
Amen.
Happy birthday, Jesus.
Sing, Charmaine. Birthday, Jesus. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Jesus. Okay, blow candle, blow candle, blow. Blow, Charmaine. Charmaine. Charmaine, blow candle, Charmaine. Blow sa candle, Charmaine.
Luisa na lang, Luisa.
Dungan, dungan, dungan.
1, 2, 3, go.
Go.
Yay!